Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you. Welcome back guys to my channel. Life in the village. We are going to wash clothes in the rivers. So yeah, let's go. That's me. And that's my cousin there. We are going to wash clothes. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. So guys, yeah, you can see there's farming going on. Like actually we're in the Rift Valley, as you can see around hills. We're in the valley. There's some farming going on. Vegetables planted all over. People in the gardens, in the farm, tilling their lands. The rains are almost here, and people are preparing land. Some are like doing some irrigation. You can see these are onions. So this is the river where we are going to that flows water that we want to use to wash clothes. Around here already you can see there are some vegetables farming going on. People here actually depend on like agriculture. So yeah, let me tell you. This is where we get water from. Actually even some drink from here. And we want to wash our clothes here. guys, we are here. We are almost done with washing our clothes. My niece joined us. She's her name is Fanny, and we are with my cousin Joanne. Yes, maybe she should say hi. Fanny, say hi.
Hi, people.
Yes, that's my niece. She's almost like, she's so tall. Nowadays kids, they grow so fast. They grow so fast. And my cousin is here. We are almost done. Sis, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so guys, and we are here. Yes. Imagine. Just food. So yeah, guys, you can see behind us are some crops looking so green despite the fact that it is a dry season. These people are maintaining like agriculture. They do irrigation to their plants, to their crops, and that's why you can see, they can see like at the far end you can see some people in their gardens. They are doing some farming, so they don't care about droughts actually. So they are so hardworking. And here is in the Rift Valley. You can see we are in the hills. Those are the hills. Around here are the hills. I hope I will find time and get up there and show you how this place is deep inside in a valley. So yeah, this is where we were placing our clothes after we had washed them, because we don't have somewhere to air them here in the river, at the river side. So we have to place them here so that they can drain water. Then we carry them home to air them. Yeah, this is how we were doing it. And we are almost done. This blanket has been washed for the longest, and we are now about to squeeze it, and we have to help each other. You can see this was our basin. Yeah, this is what we chose to wash with. Yes, unataka? Tutapiga. Haya, kuja basi tupige picha. Yes guys, unaitwa nani? What's your name? Emmanuel. Yes, Emmanuel. So, si ndio tumepiga? Engoli and then